Hi everyone, this is Mary. So I had this smart switch connected to our previous T-Mobile home internet, and then we switched to Xfinity. So I have to connect every single smart switches in the house. So the first thing is you gotta do, it was orange in here because it was not connected. So the first thing you gotta do is click the button reset. You have to long press that reset button here it's on the left side. It's on the left side. Once you have reset that, the button, and then it's now blinking orange and green. You just go to your TP Kasa app and add device. Click on the top right, add device. Click on the device and then go to smart switches. So this one is the smart dimmer. I have here is the smart dimmer, this one HS220, because some of them don't have the dimmer, so you gotta choose either the 210 or the 200. So you gotta choose the one. And then have you already connected? Blinking, yes, it's blinking orange. And this one I've already connected this one. Sure that you have to connect to TP link first. So we're just gonna have to wait for a couple of minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna just reset my device. So I'll just click reset my device because I'm gonna have to connect it to a new internet, which is this one, and I already have the password in there. So I'm resetting it because I'm connecting it to a new internet. We're gonna label it as bedroom. It's a smart switch. Yep, that's correct. Bedroom, main bedroom. I don't need to test it. Yep, all good. It's all good. And then connect. And then it just needs now a new update. And as of now, my the switch is like blinking green. Okay, now it's just solid green, so it's already connected to the new network. Okay, and see in here I have already connected the living room, the kitchen, and now we're just gonna have to wait until the bedroom updates. Yeah, I turn it off, it works, and I turn it on because it's I had it on dimmer. Brightness 1%. Yeah, perfect. Oh, it works now. So that is it. And then hold on, and then you can, I think it's already connected to my Alexa. Alexa, turn off bedroom.
Okay.
Okay, yes, already connected. So all you gotta do, it's just that one. You don't have to go back to your Alexa app and do it because it's already once you figure out once you have configured it on your Kasa TP Kasa app. Once it's done, then the Alexa connection is also done. That's it. Thank you.